Hi there, Tony the Bonus here with Starline Windows. Today I'd like to demonstrate how to properly remove and replace a broken or damaged footlock on your 8500 series patio door. So the only tools that are really required are a cordless drill with a number 8 Robertson bit and a pair of vice grips. The vice grips are basically to remove the pin that isn't necessary on this footlock, depending on if it's a left slide or a right slide door. So let's get started. So grabbing your cordless drill, to make it easier than a handheld screwdriver, is to put it in reverse and unscrew this damaged footlock. We take that off, 2 screws, and we can save those fasteners for the new footlock that we're going to put on. And those are fine, take those out. And it's quite easy to do it yourself at home. Now as you can see, there's 2 pins on this new footlock and there's 1 on the current one. So obviously we want to keep the right one on there. So with your vice grips, basically squeeze up on the one that's not necessary, twist it, and you popped it off. And now basically we just screw this one back on. There's 2 self-tapping screws that go right into the aluminum that is reinforced in the sash here. So just start that. You can go back into that same screw hole. One's in there. And just try it to make sure it works. And if it is a little sticky, just back it off slightly. If you're too tight, actually, it'll actually pinch the lock mechanism and the spring won't release it. I can still release this one a little bit, I can tell. Down, and that's how you want it to work. So basically you can push it down with your foot, of course, and release it. So we have that on. So basically what I'd like to do now is grab your can of household cleaner. I like Windex. Grab a cloth while you're down there, basically clean off that track system, any marks you've got on your vinyl or even your glass. It could be from your kids, it could be from your dogs, your cats, insects, whatever. Give it a clean wipe, and I always recommend on any sliding window or door system spraying the track system with some furniture polish. So I like Pledge. It leaves your house smelling lemon scented. So spray the track generously, and that will basically help your patio door and your windows slide effortlessly, and that's how you want it. So for any more frequently asked questions, how-to videos, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, like it, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and if you've got any further questions, contact us through our website at www.starlinewindows.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.